Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So as from the thumbnail you have the indication that we are going to start with the MCQs and few subjective questions of real numbers chapter. So let's start with it. First question, the HCF of 960 and 432 is firstly prime factorization of 432 and 960 we will do, and after that we will pick up the common factors and we will able to find the HCF. You can see common factors are 2, then these two are also common, then 3. So what will be the result? 2 into 2, 4, 2, 8, to 16, 48. So our answer is 48. Done. Next question. The natural number 2 is a prime number, a composite number, prime as well as composite, neither prime nor composite. Our answer is prime number. For composite we should have more than 2 factors, but 2 has factor 2 itself and 1. Okay. And prime number is a number which have itself a factor and 1. So 2 is a prime number. A option is absolutely correct. Next is the third one. The factor tree of a number x is shown below. We have to find the values of x, y, a, b. Hence write the product of prime factors of number x so obtained. Okay, how will we do? 5 makes 35 with which number? 7, right? Value of b is 7. 35 into 2, 70, then 70. Which number will be multiplied here so that 210 must be there? Yes, 30. So value of a is 30 here. 210 and 2 when multiplied together we will get 420. Absolutely correct. 420 when multiplied by 2 we will get 840. So these are the values of a, b, x and y which were required. And then we have to write the product in the form of prime factors. You can write it very easily. Okay. Done. Very important. State the fundamental theorem of arithmetic and use it to find LCM of 36 and 54. What is the statement? What does the statement say? Every composite number can be expressed factorized as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. What does it say? If there is a composite number, for example 4 is a composite number, it can be written like 2 into 2 into 1. So there are more than 3 factors. It is a composite number and it's factorized in as a product of primes, right? So this is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. With the help of this we have to find the LCM of 36 and 54. (36) can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, right? And 54 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, right? Now take the 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 1 into 3 raised to power 3. Now take the highest, take the numbers with highest power, 2 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 3. What will be the answer? Yes, 108. So LCM of 36 and 54 is 108. Done. These all questions are very important board oriented questions. Next is prove that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Very important question. Just you have done root 2 irrational, root 3 irrational. Now this is the same kind of question, but the way how to do is we will do step by step. Please see it very carefully. First of all, what should be the supposition when we have to prove that something is irrational? We will suppose opposite of that. What we will suppose? Let root 3 plus root 5 is rational. Okay. If the number is rational, we can write it as in the form of root 3 plus root 5 equals to a. Okay. Where a is rational, therefore we can write root 3 equals to a minus root 5. Done. Now to eliminate the square root, we will squaring both sides. What we will get? Root 3 square a minus root 5. 3 equals to a minus root 5 whole square. A minus b whole square, you know, a square plus done. Simplies there is one error. Equals to simplify like this, 2a root 5 equals to a square plus 2. On simplification we will get this. So root 5 equals to a square plus 2 upon 2a. Which is contradiction. Why it is contradiction? As the right hand side is rational number, while root 5 is irrational. So now we can conclude that so root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Okay, hence proved. Easy. Done. Pause the video and you can take the screenshot also. Done. Assertion reason. Root 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. We have just done. It is true. Sum of any two irrational numbers is always irrational. Is it true? Yeah, you can think that root 2 plus root 3 that is irrational. Root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. So we can conclude that this statement is also true, as the sum of two irrational numbers is irrational always. No, it is not true. I can give you an example. Root 2 plus minus root 2. One number is root 2, one is minus root 2. When you add them, you will get 0. And 0 is a rational number. Okay, so reason is false. Assertion is true and reason is false. Done. Next one, very important. The value of HCF minus LCM for the two numbers 3 and 5. You have to calculate HCF minus LCM for the two numbers 3 and 5. It means, first of all, you have to calculate HCF of 3 and 5. Both are the prime numbers. HCF will be 1, you know. And LCM of 3 and 5 you can also calculate. That will be 15. Okay. What we are supposed to do? We have to subtract HCF minus LCM. We have to do now. We have to find the difference of them. HCF is 1, LCM is 15. 1 minus 15 is minus 14. Our answer is D option. Okay. Next. The number 2 raised to power n, where n is a natural number, cannot end with the digit. N is a natural number, cannot end with the digit. 2 raised to power n we have to check, and n is a natural number. We will start from putting the values from 1. It's 2. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. 2 raised to power 5 is 32. 2 raised to power 6 is 64. We will stop here. Why we have to stop here? Last digit is 2, last digit is 4, last digit is 8, last digit is 6, last digit is 2, last digit is 4. You can see repetition is there now. Okay, so we will not check further. Now we have to select the option. 4 is not the option, 2 is not the option, as they end with these two numbers. Here 2 raised to power 4 also end with the number 6. This cannot be the option, so answer is 0. Option D is your correct answer. Done. Next, 3 into 13 into 11 plus 3 is a prime number, divisible by 3, a composite number, an odd number. What will be the correct option? So next we have to solve it. Take the 3 common. 1 into 11 into 13 plus 1. What we will get? 3. 13 into 11, that will be 143 plus 1. 3 into 144 into 1. So there are more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. C option is our answer. 10th seems to be very difficult MCQ, that 10th one, but it's very easy. It is saying that if HCF of two numbers A and B is 1, then what is the LCM? We know that HCF into LCM equal to product of two numbers, and two numbers are here A and B. HCF is 1. LCM seems to be AB. So D option is correct. AB. Done. 11th one. Number 3 plus root 2 is irrational number. Yes. It's an irrational number because root 2 is irrational. 12th one. 12th is, for any two natural numbers A and B, the HCF of A and B is a factor of LCM of A and B. Definitely it's correct. HCF of any two natural numbers divides both numbers. Yes, absolutely correct. You can take any two numbers as an example and you can prove that both the statements are correct. Both A and R are true and R is correct explanation of A. You can take the example also. Take two numbers, one is 17 and another is 10. Factors are 17 into 1, 2 into 5. HCF is 1, LCM is 170. So it's clearly indicates that for any two natural numbers A and B, that is, we had taken 17 and 10, right? HCF of these two numbers is a factor of LCM. Yes. What is LCM? 170, and 1 is a factor of 170. HCF is 1 and 1 divides both the numbers, right? 1 divides 17 as well as 10. Okay, done. Now next one, 2 plus root 2 square whole square is, let's solve. A plus B whole square, you know, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Students generally forget to write this 2AB. They just write 2 square and root 2 square and they forgot to write this. So be careful. 4 plus 2 plus 4 root 2, and we will get 6 plus 4 root 2. As root 2 is irrational, so 2 plus root 2 square, whatever we have simplified, it's overall an irrational number. So B option is correct. Okay, done. Next, very important, most important question. Find the greatest number less than 10,000 which is exactly divisible by 48, 60 and 65. We have to find the greatest number which is less than 10,000 which is exactly divisible by 48, 60 and 65. How will we do that? First of all, make the factors. (48) can be expressed as the prime factors. Okay. 2 raised to power 4 into 3. In the similar way, 60 can be expressed as so LCM. Take the LCM. Select the numbers with highest power. 2 raised to power 4, 3 raised to power 1, 5 raised to power 1, 13 raised to power 1. Okay. On calculation, what will we get? 3, 1, 2, 0. You can cross check the calculation. 3, 1, 2, 0. Highest multiple of 3120 less than 10,000. Okay, we will check it. 3120 into 1, 3120 into 2, 3120 into 3, 3120 into 4, 3120. What you will get here? 6240, 9360. Yeah, this number is greater than 10,000. So we have to select the highest multiple but less than 10,000. So our answer is this. 9360 is our answer. Done. This question came this year. I think this was the set 4. This was not in the north region but some other region it came, and this came in the in 3 marks question, section C. Okay. Thank you so much, class. I hope you have enjoyed the session. You have learnt something new. So thank you. Have a nice day. We will meet with the new video. Okay. Thank you.